Hello friends, let's learn today properties of intersection of sets. We know that what is intersection of two sets? Suppose A and B, these are the two sets given, and if we have to find the intersection of these two sets, that is A intersection B, in that set we take all the common elements from both of these two sets. So this is the intersection of two sets. Now we are going to learn what are the properties of intersection of sets. The first property is A intersection B, that must be equal to B intersection A, which is quite obvious. Here we have just changed the order of the sets. In the left hand side we have taken A as the first set and we have taken the intersection of that set A with set B, and on the right hand side we have done the same, only order is changed. Though the number of elements in both of these two sets must be same, that's why A intersection B is equal to B intersection A. The second property is if A is subset of B, then in that case A intersection B must be equal to A, because in the A intersection B we take all the common elements from both of these two sets, and as A is subset of set B, if we take their intersection A intersection B, that must be equal to A. And suppose if we have here B is subset of A, that means every element of set B is an element of set A, then in that case A intersection B must be equal to set B, because B is a subset of A. So this is the second property. If A is subset of B, then A intersection B is equal to A. And if we write the above property in reverse section, that is if A intersection B is equal to A, then A must be the subset of set B, that is A is subset of B, which is the converse of the previous property. Now the next property is if we take intersection of any two sets, that is A intersection B, this A intersection B must be a subset of each of these two sets, that is A intersection B is subset of A and A intersection B is subset of set B, that is A intersection B is the subset of both of those two sets from which the intersection is taken. So this is the fourth property. The fifth property is if we take intersection of A and its complement, it must be an empty set phi, because we know that in a complement of any set, those elements are there which are not in the set A, but they are element of the universal set. So no common element will be there between these two sets. Or if we take any set and if we have the complement of that set, no common element will be there. So if we try to find the intersection, it must be empty set, that is phi. Then we have the next property. If we take intersection of any set with the set itself, then we get again the same set, that is A intersection A must be equal to A. And the last property is if we take intersection of any set with an empty set, the intersection must be again empty set, because as empty set does not contain any element, so the common element between any other set and the empty set must be empty set, because no element is there in the empty set. So these are some properties of intersection of two sets. I hope you understand this concept. Thanks for watching.